We're super excited for this to be opening. It's been a passion project of ours for years. Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer here at Blood Brothers Woodworking Academy. We're loading everything in. We're about to open to the public in a few days. Just need that OSHA certification.
Hi, I'm Duffy. I'm the OSHA inspector here today. I'm just here to make sure that these guys are running a safe operation.
So it's a pretty simple business model, really. It's like those places that you go to paint pottery. Except here, you come to our wood shop and we teach you how to build your very own coffin. And you get to take it home with you. That's where those go. All right? The wood shop used to be just like a buffet for us vampires. We'd just hang around. People would have accidents all the time. And we went home happy. But ever since Microjig came out with the gripper, we've been going home hungry. And that's why we decided that we would open up this woodworking school. Between you and me, we're setting these guys up for failure.
Nowadays, we have to be a little bit more proactive. I'm Harry. I'm the director of blood loss.
All right, so let me go ahead and show you our facility. This is where the public's going to be coming and, well, oh, see, look at that. Hand sanitizer. These are our interns. Yeah, they'll probably be gone by the end of the month. Hey, Dick, wake up. OSHA inspector's here.
So I'm Dick, and I don't really want to brag, but I'm kind of the face of the company. I'm just a regular guy trying to put food on the table.
Like I said, you know, pretty standard woodworking shop.
Yeah, what's that?
That's not mine.
Yep, I'm gonna dock them for that.
What was that?
Nothing.
That's our other business partner, Harry. Harry! OSHA inspector's here. Sorry, Harry's not much of a people person. Brilliant businessman, though. Killer. We only have 2 rules here. No garlic.
No garlic.
And no grippers. Other than that, it's fair game. And no running.
The problem that we have is we don't get many return customers. They're kind of a one and done kind of thing.
So, like I said, you know, everything around here is perfectly normal, perfectly safe. So, when do you think we can start?
You'll be here. I'm definitely gonna have to fail them. It is wildly unsafe in there. I don't know who they think they're fooling.
Well, we failed our OSHA inspection. That's a devastating blow to Blood Brothers Woodworking Academy.